Okay, so mga Madam Sereto, panoorin naman natin to, no? Yung top 10 Asian pop groups you should be listening to, no? So, ito yung pop group na pasok sa top 10 ni Miss Mojo, no? So, si Miss Mojo na mayroong 5.58 million subscribers. Okay, so hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, mamaya automatic subscribe natin after nating panoorin tong video na to, no? Okay, so dito makikita natin kung sino-sino po yung top 10 sa Asia, no? Asian pop group nga po, no? So malalaman natin kung sino-sino nga po yung mga nakapasok sa top 10 na to. Okay, so wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa, i-play na po agad natin to. Let's go. Party Animal. Korean
Welcome
to.
to Ms. Mojo, and today we're counting down our picks for the most talented and impactful pop bands
talented.
from all over Asia that you won't regret
All over Asia.
standing.
Uy. Oh, pasok. Ha? Gento. Wait lang. All Out Sundays 2020. Ano to? Ba't 2020?
Number
Baka
10,
parang
First
mali lang
Five.
siguro siya.
India is no
2020.
stranger to pop groups, but with this band, the country
Okay, first 5 yung pinaka top 10, yung pinaka
is making a bid for
or
global
nasa list
stardom.
ng top 10. First 5 yung pangalan ng grupo.
YouTuber and musician Aksh Bagla is investing in, mentoring, and managing First Five, a four-member
Five.
boy band reinterpreting the pop formula with their unique
4 member pero first 5 yung ano.
a four-member boy
Four-member
band
nga lang.
reinterpreting the pop formula with their unique sensibilities. Rather than impressing with glossy Bollywood song and dance, First Five focuses on stripped-down authenticity.
Korean din ba to?
Their
Parang hindi.
self-written music reflects the colors of youth and makes for easy listening. Through
So, honestly, di ko kilala yung first 5 na to, pero dahil dito yun, nalalaman natin na etong pop group na to is may mga ganito pala na pop group nga po, no? So, hindi ko lang sure kung Korean to, pero I think
self-written
hindi.
music reflects the colors of youth and makes for easy listening. Through complementary content like vlogs and covers, the members have been able to connect with their audience organically and are well on their way to garnering a loyal fandom.
Ito yung ballad song nila. Ayos din yung harmony ng boses nila.
Number 9, Trinity.
Trinity.
Hailing from the land of smiles, Thailand, this boy band
Thailand.
has established itself
So binabanggit pala kung saan nagmula. So kanina hindi ko siguro napansin, hindi ko nang kung saan silang bansa. So this time Trinity, Thailand pala galing to. Okay, so nalampasan lang natin siguro. Yaman na. So anyway, Trinity is Thailand. Let's go.
Trinity. Hailing from the land of smiles, Thailand, this boy band has established itself as one of the pioneers of T-pop.
T-pop. One of the pioneer ng T-pop or Thailand pop nga po dun sa Thailand, syempre. Let's go.
Pioneers of T-pop.
Ganda rin.
Trinity was formed
Ganda rin yung
with
kanta na
three
yun, ha?
members from the project group 9x9. Third, Porsche and Jackie. A fourth member, James, joined the trio for a while before leaving to focus on his solo endeavors. Throughout their career, Trinity promoted globally and even collaborated with the famed Japanese band Ballistic Boys from
Pogi din in fairness, ha.
globally and even collaborated with the famed Japanese band Ballistic Boys from Exile Tribe. They came to be
Solid
known
din.
for their versatile discography, spanning genres like hip-hop, R&B, and pop, as well as their energetic choreographies. TNT also gained attention for singing in English as well as Thai, amplifying their popularity among international fans. As they continue activities, their popularity will only rise.
Yeah. Oh, bangers din tong kanta nila na to, ha. Solid din, ha. Campaign Poppin'. Champagne.
Number 8.
Mali na naman ako. Campaign ang pagkabasa ko. Champagne pala yun. Ayun, no, champagne nga pala. Sorry. Champagne
Number
Poppin'.
8. Mirror.
Mirror. Sa alamang bansa to.
Created through the competition show Goodnight Show Kingmaker,
Korean.
Hong Kong's
Ah,
premier
Hong
boy
Kong.
group has burst onto the global
Hong
music
Kong naman
scene
to.
in recent years. Mirror ignited an unparalleled craze for canto pop that has spread worldwide and is bringing attention to the rich culture of Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
The members, who all have their solo careers, are also highly sought after talents, with
So
several
may mga solo din sila. Okay, parang
who all
SB
have
rin.
their solo careers are also highly sought after talents, with several ad campaigns, endorsements, and brand ambassadorships to their name. Above all else, Mirror's music is what propelled them to success. We get dynamic
Mirror.
dance tracks as well as emotional odes to love and loss,
kanta nilang Mirror.
rap-heavy anthems, retro bops, ballads, and more. What's not to love? Number 7, NiziU.
NiziU.
The esteemed K-pop company JYPE joined
Korean na
hands
to.
with Sony Music Japan to create this beloved J-pop.
So yung una hindi ko na ano kung anong bansa, pero yung pangalawa is yung Thailand, tapos yung pangatlo, yung pangwalo is Hong Kong, this time Korean, no. Okay, let's go.
Group.
Pang ano ba to? Pang 7? Top 10?
The members were
top
handpicked
7?
by JY Park, who put them through rigorous challenges on the reality show Nizi Project. During the contest, the girls trained under the K-pop model in South Korea,
K-pop.
honing their talents to
Korean
perfection.
nga to.
As expected, NiziU soared to commercial success with their debut in 2020 and dominated the charts.
Review. Ang dami rin nila, oh. Ang dami nila, no? Parang yung, P-pop girl sa Pinas. Let's go.
They even earned a coveted spot in the 71st NHK Red and White Year-End Song Festival, a huge feat for a rookie group. The team's bright and empowering music resonated with fans of J-pop and K-pop alike, opening the way for them to go global. The best thing is, they're just getting started. Number 6, ATEEZ. If you
Okay,
enjoy
top
digging
6,
into a group's artistic
80s.
lore, exploring their conceptual universes, and deconstructing music videos to find hidden messages, this is the group for you.
Uy, bangers din, oh. Uy,
ATEEZ is a K-pop boy band that
okay,
marches to
Korean din, no? Korea kanina yung di ba? Okay, let's go.
ATEEZ is a K-pop boy band that marches to the beat of their own
K-pop
drum.
boy band.
Rather than following trends, they set new ones and are quite used to breaking records and making history.
Oh. Oy, bounce.
In 2024, they became the first K-pop boy group to play Coachella, and locals couldn't stop singing their praise for
Coachella.
days afterward. The group is known for their intense, hard-hitting performances, unconventional rap
mongon din
styles,
to.
and mighty vocals.
Oh,
With
may
the
rap style.
hard-hitting
Solid din to, ah.
performances, unconventional rap styles, and mighty vocals. With the complete package, ATEEZ is an experience you don't want to miss.
Complete package. Meron nga. Oh.
Number
Ayos,
5,
ah.
TF Boys.
Bangers
It's a
din.
widely
TF
acknowledged
Boys.
fact among fans and non-fans alike that this group is the face of Mando Pop.
Korean din.
Carrie Wang, Roy Wang, and Jackson Yee came together to form the Fighting Boys when they were in their early teens. With their blood,
Bata pa
sweat,
sila,
and
oh.
tears, they created an empire that stands strong over a decade later.
Japan pala. Hindi na pala Korea to, no? J-pop na pala. Okay, let's go.
Later.
Ba?
The group is considered one of the most profitable idol acts in China, with each member raking in millions of dollars through merch alone. Their undeniable talents and optimistic music in the bubblegum pop genre have cemented their high position in the Chinese music scene and
Mga
beyond.
bata po. Diba? Mga baby pa, oh.
Number 4, Mayday.
Mayday.
The Beatles of the Chinese-speaking world. That
So mula sa top 10 hanggang top 4, so wala akong kilala, no? So totoo naman, syempre, ayan, so hindi ko talaga sila kilala. So ayun, totoo. So yun, so eto My Day, o parang My Day, no? So let's go, tulad nito.
Number 4, Mayday, the Beatles of the Chinese-speaking world. That's how this Taiwanese band is known.
Japan, Japan din.
Mayday has legendary status in Asia, owing to their extensive career and accomplishments. They have provided soundtracks to beloved movies and shows like Migratory Bird.
So common yung ano, no, pagka mga pop, no? Andun yung Korean, Japan, Hong Kong, 'di ba? So Thailand meron tayo kanina, no? So wala pa talaga sa US, no, kasi hindi siya syempre Asia, no. Asia. Kaya nga Asia, US pa. 'Di ba? So yun. Okay, let's go. Tulad nito.
Accomplishments. They have provided soundtracks to beloved movies and shows like Migratory Bird, Love of May, and The First Frost.
Pero meron kayang ano, no, US pop, no? Yung mga American pop. Meron ba? Meron ba? Parang wala pa ako na anong may American pop eh. So sa Asia, syempre wala yung America, pero syempre pero meron ba? Meron ba to? Let's go tuloy.
Loved movies and shows like Migratory Bird, Love of May, and The First Frost, and have won several awards. They spearheaded the rock movement in Taiwan and are revered for their seminal work.
So
With
Taiwan
fans all
to.
over the
Taiwan pala sila, no? Taiwan, mga
world,
Taiwanese.
the band has held concerts across
Okay.
Asia, North America, Oceania, and Europe. From 1997 to now, the command Mayday has on rock aficionados remains unchanged, and their influence is not fading anytime soon.
Nagigitara sila. So parang first time ko makakita ng pop artist na naggigitara. 'Di ba? No?
Influence is
Ako
not
ba?
fading anytime soon.
Ako first time ko. Parang band na to Banda.
Number 3,
Yun.
SB19.
Yen.
Not many
Yen.
artists can
Yen. Ako yun, no? Yen. Okay. At top 3 ang ating mahaling mga SB19 sa top 10 Asian pop groups nga po, no? Let's go.
Number 3, SB19. Not many artists can boast that they put their genre on the map. SB19, the trailblazers of P-pop, have that achievement under their belt, with Billboard fame and international
yeah.
accolades aplenty.
With
From the fertile soil of the
Ayan.
Philippines, SB19 soared to unbelievable heights,
Matik,
popularizing
unbelievable.
Filipino art and culture around the world. One of their most popular songs, Gento,
Yeah.
sparked a global dance challenge that
Matik.
had celebrities attempting their viral
Matik talaga
steps.
yan.
New listeners
Solid
turned
yan.
into fans when they discovered their diverse body of work, ranging
Oh,
from EDM to
bench
rap,
body of
love
work.
songs, and rock. The members are undoubtedly multi-talented performers, but their deep involvement in the creative process makes them even more impressive. In conclusion, all the cool kids are listening to
Ayan.
SB19.
All Out Sundays 2020. So di mali lang siguro to, no? Pero napansin ko lang. Let's go.
Even more impressive. In conclusion, all the cool kids are listening to SB19. Are you?
Bangers yan.
Number 2,
Matik.
Blackpink.
Okay.
The name speak-
Ayan, so mula sa top 3, no? SB19. Tapos sa Blackpink yung top 2, no? Pangalawa. Okay. Tingnan natin kung sino yung pinakang top 1 dito. So kilala ko na yan. Blackpink. Ayan, alam ko na yan. Let's go.
Number 2, Blackpink. The name
bye.
speaks for itself. Icons among icons, the Blackpink girls broke new ground for female pop groups on the world
Female.
stage.
Blackpink in your area. Blackpink in
Pero wala yung meron din 'di ba yung kila Sandara Park? Ano bang ang 21 ba yun? 2-1? 21 ba yun? 21, 'di ba yung ganun dati, no?
Blackpink in
Wala
your
sila dito.
area. Blackpink
Tingnan natin
in
kung
your
sino yung top
area.
1.
They conquered the hearts of fans in South Korea, where the group was formed, while building a die-hard fandom overseas. Each member, with their unique charms and talents, added something very special into the mix, which ultimately created the recipe for lasting glory.
Ayan, no? Alam ko yung mga kanta na yan. Ayan.
Jisoo,
Kaya sa
Jennie,
napapakinggan ko yan, syempre dito sa lugar namin sa mga bata, no? Kabataang mga babae, di ba? Blackpink.
Jisoo, Jennie, Rosé, and Lisa are femme fatales with fearless spunk, and in their hands, the girl crush concept transformed into a liberating vision of strong, independent women. Musically, they played with different genres without straying from their sonic aesthetic. As a result, the BP sound became instantly recognizable, though not replicable. Before we unveil our top pick, here are a few honorable mentions. JKT48. AKB48's Indonesian sister group has much to offer.
Indonesian.
Wavy. This Chinese NCT subunit has mastered versatility.
Maybe.
Pretzel. This T-pop girl band is talented and endearing.
Ang dami rin talagang no? Pop group.
New Jeans, aka NJZ. Their brand
Sino
of
sila?
K-pop is a total vibe.
Before we continue, be sure
Okay.
to subscribe to our channel.
Okay. So, subscribe na natin. Like natin and subscribe natin, Miss Mojo. Alright, let's go.
About our latest videos. You have the option to be notified for occasional videos or all of them. If you're on your phone, make sure you go into your settings and switch on notifications.
Yes.
Number 1,
Subscribe na yan,
BTS.
Dan.
No conversation
Ooh.
about the best Asian pop.
BTS yung top 1 niya, no? Okay, so wala naman duda. So BTS is talaga namang matagal ko na naririnig-rinig yan sa pop. Hindi naman ako totally listener ng pop. So ngayon lang ako nagsisimula, no? Yan, BTS, alam natin yan. Tsaka Matic, BTS, Blackpink at ang SB19. Matic, di ba? Go.
Number 1, BTS. No conversation about the best Asian pop groups would ever be complete without K-pop's very own Bangtan Boys. This entirely
Bangtan
self-made group is a cultural phenomenon who made the world dance to their beat.
Bangos din.
No matter your musical preference, BTS has something for everyone's taste. So whether you're craving a club banger or a cathartic cry, these young men have got you covered. Their unbeatable flair for performance has taken them to the world's most prestigious stages like the Grammys and the VMAs. Similarly, the message in their lyrics, which touch upon issues like mental health, societal pressures, and prejudices, poised them as the voice of a generation. Most importantly, though, BTS made millions love themselves. No wonder their fans, ARMY, are inseparable from them. Which of these pop groups are you a fan of? Show your faves some love in the comment section down below.
Do you agree with our
Okay.
picks? Check out this other recent clip from Ms. Mojo and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.
Alright, so top 10 Asian pop groups you should be listening to. Okay, nakapag-subscribe na tayo dyan sa pinakang channel ni Miss Mojo. No? Thank you so much, Ma'am Miss Mojo, sa video na to. No? Okay, so dahil dyan, syempre, pasok sa top 3 ang ating mahalima SB19. Biruin mo, no? So mula top 10 hanggang top 6, di ba? Ay, top 10 hanggang top 4. So hindi ko kilala lahat ng mga pop group na yon, no? So dahil sa video na to, nakita ko na may mga ganong grupo, no? So syempre, top 3, top 2, top 1 ay yung pinakamakilala natin, no? Na talaga namang napapakinggan natin yung mga kanta niyan, no, dito nga po sa amin. Talagang minaririnig din naman ako. Kaya Matic, kilala natin yan. Okay, so syempre, mahalima SB19, congrats. Pasok sa top 3, no? Top 3 siya kay Miss Mojo. Diba? So sa Asia, kay Miss Mojo pa o talagang top 10 sa Asian, no, sa Asia. So hindi ko sure kung kay Miss Mojo lang to, pero I think sa buong Asia na to, no. So yung pinakang top 10 na to, no. Okay. So congrats ating Mahalima SB19. Pasok, no. So top 3. So grabe, ang laki din ng ano, no. Yung ang gagaling din ng mga naungusan. Kumbaga ang gagaling din ng mga nakita nating ibang mga pop, no, na nasa taas, no. So yun. Ay nasa nasa bago mag top 3, no. So nakita natin na talagang magagaling din naman talaga, pero naungusan ng ating Mahalima SB19. So ganun kagagaling ang SB19, kaya 'di ba? Top 3. Matik ng top 3, top 2 mga magagaling, no. Solid. Lahat naman sila actually, no. Okay? Ayan, so kung gusto mo rin din tong panoorin ng dire-diretso, sa description yung pinaka-link yan, i-click mo yan para direkta makapunta ka sa video na to. Mapanood mo ng walang cut, this time cut reaction video, kaya cut ko ba? Okay, kung gusto mo rin ng ganitong klaseng content, syempre wag mo kakalimutan i-like yung video na to, i-subscribe yung channel ko kung bago ka pa lang, click notification bell para ma-update kita kada lalabas ang ganitong klaseng reaction video. Hanggang sa muli, maraming po salamat. It's Dog TV. Peace and I'm out. Yeah.